Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial for the new product that we have launched. The IIITprep team has launched. So basically we have launched this tracker. This is completely free for the UGEE exam. All the students can take the benefit of it. You can access it from tracker tracker.iiitprep.com. It's completely free. You just need to log in and take the benefit of it. So this is how the dashboard works. I will show you how all the things are there and how you can take the benefit of all the things. Okay, so before going, few of the things that we have highlighted on our homepage only, like we have topic wise progress tracker, then we have mock test tracker. The PYQs are very, very important for the UGEE exam. So we have PYQ tracker, then we have a daily goals. So now after second attempt, you have a decent amount of time to prepare for UGEE and other exams. So you can set these daily goals in that system only, this tracker application completely for free. And then we do calculate the study tricks to motivate you for the preparation. We have the study, like what are the material, what are the resources like that we have, the PDFs and all those are there. Then topic wise notes also you can add there. Then we have the live lecture section. You can directly join the live lectures, notification, live exam, all these things are there, right? So let's just see how you can take the benefit of. You just click on login, you enter your mobile number and you send the OTP. Once the OTP is sent, you just need to log in using that same OTP. That is, so you are logged in. Now this is what the dashboard comes for all of you, right? So there is some dummy data in my login. You will have a complete blank login and where you can manage all the things. And then here we calculate the streak which motivates you. Here you get the number of days left. The UGW is on 2nd of May. On the right hand side, this is a daily goal setup. Let's suppose today I need to cover linguistics, cover or let's suppose attempt 2 quizzes, DPPs. We provide the DPPs. So let's suppose I am adding this as one goal, and then let's suppose mock 2 analysis. So this is how you can add your goals for the day. So for today's, we are recording this video, and once done, you just mark it as done, and you will get the stats like how much is done and how much is pending. From here also you can simply add and you can update the status. Then you have the summary over here, like what has been done, what has been left, how much is the progress. SUPR topics, we have a separate section. We have all the SUPR things where you can use. Lectures are done, you just mark it as done, so you can access the lectures from here. So crash course, this link will help you with the lectures, and mock test series you can directly use this quick link section. If you go on to this, you can once the quizzes or the DPPs are done, you just mark it as done. Anything notes you want to add, you can add it here. For all the section you can do similar, you can do for the reap section. So all the topics has been added, how much has been done. We are being keep updating this portal, so whatever the feedback that you have, you can share us here the feedback, so our team will make sure those feedbacks are being implemented. Then we have this PYQ. You can get the access of PYQ from here, how much has been attempted, what the score has been, what the cutoff, and all those things. You can have the analysis here completely. This is a very good source for your preparation because you have less number of days, and this will be like a perfect solution for you to track your complete progress regarding the UGEE exam for the previous year question papers. Then we do have the mock test section where we analyze the mock test. Your score will be getting here. So those who want to access the mock test, they can click take a mock and they can take the benefit of mock test. Of course, mocks are something that needs to be paid, but this portal is something free. You can take the benefit of it. You can log in, you can take the marks, you can monitor how much has been done, what percentage of thing has been done, the scores and all. So you can do. So 7, 8, these are the IIIT mocks number 7 and mock number 8. We conduct all India, so we have categorized in this way. Depends on student to student, right? Then we have this resources section where SUPR, you have these revision notes. Then we have the cheat sheet for the REAP. Also you have this revision note here in cheat sheet. So all this are going to be updated, right? This is going to be updated on daily basis. We'll be adding much more things onto it. So we have these DPP solutions. The DPPs are like basically the things that are in the courses. The solutions are there. Then you have the lecture notes. All these lectures notes, few are missing because the team is getting added those things. Then we have video section where you can directly like how to access mock test and all those. We are also going to have a new interview series with our toppers, whatever the students from our batches are there in UGW 2025. Those students podcast, we are going to add all those here. And then we have these live lectures. So those who have enrolled in the course, they will have the benefit of these live lectures. Else you can keep this aside for now. On this link you can directly access the live lectures and the general discussion session that we provide. Of course, if you're not able to watch it in the live mode, we do provide the recording inside the crash course. That's completely fine. Then interview preparation, this is also we every year provide. Now this year we have been going to provide it in a more proper strategic way. Everything will be a proper, everything will be under a process. So this is what is a portal where you can have the interview guide, you will have those 2 mock interviews, all the details and senior discussion. Whatever the students who are currently at IIIT Hyderabad, we are going to onboard them on a Google Meet to have an one-on-one interaction to those ever who have been selected. Then feedback is the section where you can provide as a feedback, and that's it. So this is what is a portal has been made by IIIT Prep team. It's completely for free. Anyone, anywhere, any student can take the benefit of it. You just go on to the website tracker.iiitprep.com, simple, and take the benefit of it. It's really helpful. It's not, IIIT Prep is not saying that hey, you just need to go with our crash course or mock test. No, it's not like that. This is a tool completely made for the UGEE aspirants who are seriously preparing for the UGEE exam and want to track the progress, want to do a strategic preparation, right? Who are sincere about the UGEE exam, who are a bit focused. Please take the benefit of this mock test and the analysis. Everything is there. So please take a benefit of it. And if there is any feedback, just let us know to our team. Comment down on that video if there is something that you need from our end. And that's it. Let's wrap. Thank you.